Oh, J and K back to back. Good on you, Zach. All right, can you please grab the Toblerone and check whether you've got any reversies, mate? So scan it around. Did you find a G? Yeah? Yep. Silly looking G. Always likes to go back, doesn't it? Everything out. Yeah, well found. Everything else looks good to me. Mate, I reckon you've only reversed your G and your S today, which we've got a name for that, Zach. Do you want to know what it is?
Yeah.
Progress. What was your time?
2 minutes 6.
2:06. All right, good. Okay, mate. Now, do you remember how we've been talking about before and after? Yeah. And you've got a card that says before means closer to the beginning. Yeah, of the word or the alphabet, and after means closer to the end. All right. Now, did you do the super hard last week?
No.
This is a put away task, and you'll notice in red I've called it the super hard because you've got to pay real attention to. I don't know if you're ready for this. Are you feeling daring?
Yeah. Is there a prize?
There may well be.
Okay.
All right. Super hard means you've got to read this carefully. So let's have a look. First one is one letter before F. Well, that's easy enough. Point to the letter before F for me, will you?
Before F?
Yeah, so find F first.
So it's here.
Yep. What's the letter before F? You got it. Okay, so go through and put the before letters away. And then when you get to the second instruction, yep, so that's E goes in the box. You just got the super hard.
Is A.
Pop them away, mate. Congratulations. Well done. You can take yourself a pick of 3 of those. Okay, so the question I asked you before, can you just underline with that red the 3 ways to spell please? Excellent. Okay, so we're going to pay attention to just those. So before I'm going to ask you some questions about them that are to do with your rules.
Yeah.
Okay. Out of those 3, which one only ever goes on the end of a base word? Good. Which are your 2 options for spelling k in other places, like at the beginnings? Good. Tell me, if it's a K, what vowels does it have to come in front of?
A, E, I, O.
Well, seeing you're saying all of the vowels, write all the vowels. A, E, I, O, U and Y. Write all the vowels down there. Leave a space between them. Yep. That's a beautiful O, by the way.
Thanks.
And I haven't taught you, but you know exactly how it rolls. Okay, give it an exit stroke. And sometimes, Y.
Yeah,
When it's there. Okay, so the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So we'll get rid of CK. We're just concentrating on a C and a K now, right? That's all we're paying attention. Okay, now where do we use K in front of again?
E, I, and Y.
So K comes in front of E, I, or Y. Get your finger, get rid of E, I, and Y because K takes care of them. K in front of E, I, and Y normally. Good. And rub the K out. What's left?
C.
Where do we use C in front of normally?
A, O, and U.
Bang. All right, mate, can you please make a rainbow? Now remember, with those, unless you push them tight together, you'll run out of room.
Okay.
Because it's harder to do those in uppercase. All right, check your A, Archie.
Yeah, is that, which way is that Z pointing?
This is how I want you to do it, mate. Okay. You go around, you hold this, and you go, Archie, hold on.
Yeah.
Check your A first compared to that A. That's good. And you move. If anything you're not sure of, you just keep moving your Toblerone round and sit the letter on the Toblerone over the top of the letter that you've made, and just check. Okay, good.
I did it.
Okay, now can you please tap the letters as you say them? So A, B, C, nice and slowly and steadily. I want to have a listen while Ava's doing this. Okay, Ava, ready?
A, B,
Go.
long vowel. A, E, O, O.
Long vowel sounds. Rachel, so can you remember which letters were backwards? Which ones did you fix?
It's in
That one there, please, son.
It's
D. So, okay, it isn't. Now, shut your eyes, put your hands out.
and
Actually, don't, just shut your eyes, don't worry about your hands. I'm turning some letters backwards. Okay, open your eyes, 3 letters are backwards. What's that one there? Find them and turn them around. You can put those away, consonants first, please. The one that's at the start of the word start. And what do we call them?
vowels.
Excellent. Can you put the vowels away, please?
Okay, boards on laps, we're going to write our alphabet. We're going to write it in one row. A. B. D. E. G. I. J. Ooh. Okay, chin it for me.